Welcome to Avora Nature, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about discover the power of protection with purpose, a deep dive into the Avora Nature MagSafe tough case for iPhone. In a world of constant motion where we communicate, create, work and live through the glass and metal rectangles in our pockets, one thing remains true: our phones are with us more than anything or anyone else. And yet we rarely think twice about the case that protects them. We grab whatever's cheap, whatever's fast, whatever's trendy, without ever asking the bigger question: what is this case made of? Does it reflect my values? Does it align with how I live, move, and care for the planet? That's why today we are going beyond the surface. We're going deep into a product that isn't just a phone case, it's a statement of mindful design, a tool for modern life, and a commitment to sustainability. Again, welcome to Avora Nature's MagSafe tough case for iPhone. The problem with most phone cases, let's be honest, most phone cases you see in stores or online are mass products with one thing in mind, and that is speed. Speed to market, speed to profit, speed to discard. These cases often use cheap plastics that crack or discolor within weeks, offer weak protection against drops or spills, interfere with MagSafe charging or single strength, are made in enormous batches, many of which end up in landfills. They're designed to look good briefly, then be replaced, but we believe that your phone case shouldn't be disposable, it should be durable, purposeful, and beautiful. What makes the Avora Nature Tough case different? Let's start with the name Tough. This case isn't just about looking tough, it's about being tough. On performance, on durability, and on ethics, here's what it sets apart. It's got dual layer protection, a blend of two powerful materials. It gives you military grade or grade drop protection without unnecessary bulk, MagSafe compatibility, powerful embedded magnets make it a seamless fit for MagSafe chargers and accessories. No more worrying about misalignment or dropped connections, slim yet strong. Despite its strength, the case maintains a sleek profile that doesn't feel clunky in your pocket or hand. Precision cutouts, each port, button and camera lens is framed perfectly. That means easy access, no fumbling, and smooth functionality every time. Eco-conscious manufacturing. Each case is printed on demand, reducing unnecessary inventory and waste, an intentional shift away from mass production. Designed for daily life, protection is important, but so is usability. This case is built for real-life usage, whether you're commuting to work and tossing your phone into your bag, filming content on the go, charging wirelessly while working, hiking outdoors, or just scrolling on your cell phone. The matte coating ensures a steady grip even if your hands are slightly sweaty or wet. And unlike glossy, slippery cases that smudge easily, this surface resists fingerprints and keeps your phone looking fresh. Built for the planet, not just for profit. Let's talk sustainability. At Avora Nature, our philosophy is simple: natural choices, powerful impact. This tough case is produced only when you order it. That means no large factories pumping out millions of unused products. No mountains of plastic waste. It's part of a larger commitment to slow down fast consumerism, to create beautiful and functional products without harming the planet, and to inspire conscious consumer choices. We believe that true luxury is ethical and that sustainability should be integrated into even the smallest items in our lives. Aesthetic that aligns with your lifestyle. Let's face it, your phone case is part of your outfit. You take your phone everywhere. It's on the table at dinner, it's in your hand in meetings, it's the first thing you see in the morning. So why settle for an ugly, clunky plastic case? The Avora Nature Tough Case is minimalist in design, elegant in color palette, tastefully branded, letting the design speak, not the logo. Whether you're dressed in activewear, business attire, or casual clothes, this case complements your personal style while signaling to the world that you care about quality and conscious living. Real world user experience. Let's hear from real people. Those who have used the Avora Nature Tough Case report that it's super snug, fit and still easy to remove. Love the way it feels in the hand. Another comment we got is my MagSafe charger snaps right into place, no wobble, no slipping. Another quote is the nature-inspired print is subtle and soothing. I get compliments all the time. And the last one is drop my phone from waist height, no damage, not even a scratch. Of course, no product is perfect for everyone. Some feedback includes the matte finish can be a little too smooth for those who prefer a textured grip. The case is durable, but not ultra rugged like some bulky outdoor brands. But for the majority of everyday users, this case offers the perfect balance between strength and sophistication. In other words, it's not just a case, it's a conscious decision. You're not just buying a phone accessory, you're supporting a movement for mindful production, a movement for ethical design, a movement for choosing better, fewer things. The Avora Nature Tough Case is a reminder in your hand every day to stay grounded, intentional, and aligned with your deeper values. When you choose this case, you're telling the world, I protect what matters to me and to the planet. Who is this case perfect for? This product is made for the conscious modern user. If you are someone who uses MagSafe accessory daily, a content creator needing drop protection without ugly bulk, a minimalism fan who values quality over quantity, an eco-conscious buyer who avoids fast plastic products, a professional who wants tech gear to match a refined look, then the Avora Nature Tough Case is made for you. So, are you ready to upgrade your case and your consciousness? We live in a noisy world, but this case is quite confident, but this case is quiet confidence. It's not flashy, it's not trendy, it doesn't scream for attention. Instead, it speaks through its refined build, its earth-forward values, and its uncompromising functionality. If you're ready to make a small change that reflects a bigger mindset shift, if you are tired of cheap cases that crack, slip, and clutter the environment, then this is your moment. My final thoughts and a call to action is your phone is one of the most powerful tools you own. It holds your memories, your business, your creativity and your world. Protect it with something worthy. Protect it with something that reflects you. Visit the product page now at avoranature.com. Use code avoranature10 for 10% off your first order. Share your experience on social media with hashtag #AvoraNature. Join the movement, sustainable living, one decision at a time. Avora Nature, natural choices, powerful impact, and as always, stay natural, stay Avora.